عسلامة ومرحبا بكم. My name is Mohamed Roumi. I'm the ambassador of the Republic of Tunisia to Japan.
عسلامة ومرحبا بكم في سفارة تونس في اليابان. اسمي هدى. My name is Huda. You're very welcome at Tunisia Embassy. So I want to show you a replica of mosaic decorated at the entrance of the Embassy of Tunisia.
This mosaic is very famous. It's a replica of the Triumph of Neptune. Neptune is, as you know, the god of oceans, and it is exposed in Bardo Museum. While getting to the salon, we wanted to show you two famous Tunisian streets. The first one is the jasmine tree. You know that jasmine is our national flower. Unfortunately, it's not blossoming now. It blossoms in summertime. Next to that, we have an olive tree. Last autumn, we had here black olive, very oishi. And you know that Tunisia is one of the most important producer and exporter of olive oil all over the world. So this is a picture of Sidi Bou Said, which is a village in Tunis capital, in the northern suburb of Tunis capital. Very nice and very famous. One of the best attractions in Tunisia.
Today we are wearing a traditional costume called jubba, handmade, embroidered. Sometimes it takes few months to be done. We usually, when we welcome people, we wear jubba. Even we wear jubba when we have wedding events, religious events, or even official events.
So here we are at the entrance of the salon, and before we get in, we wanted to show you this desert rose. This is the result of a natural phenomenon that takes many hundreds of years to have this wonderful shape. As you can see, it is like the rose petals. So it's a mix of wind, water, and sand. Now we can get into the salon. Please. Here we are. Welcome. I wanted to welcome our guest with this Tunisian sparkling wine. Kampai, Saha. So we want to make this space a beautiful harmony between Japanese and Tunisian culture. As you can see here, we have a nice Japanese garden. But we have also Tunisian style.
So we can find blown glasses, handicrafts. This. We can find harem fabrics. It's from Tunisia and it's handmade. Silver, as we are very known by handicrafts, silver here. Here too. We can decorate our house by this beautiful costume, beautiful jacket.
We are decorating our salon with many paintings. Some of them are painted by Tunisian famous artists, like this one by Tunisian artist Ben Abdallah, but also some paintings are done by Japanese artists, and I would like to show this one, which is an illustration of this combination between Japanese and Tunisian culture. It is made by artist Ozawa from Seto City, and it was made on the occasion of the 50th anniversary of our diplomatic relations. So as you can see, we have the two national flowers, sakura on one side and jasmine flower on the other side. We have other aspects of both rich cultures. We can here find the mosque, here we can find the shrine. We can find the two historic mosques of the two countries.
After lunch and after dinner, we usually we enjoyed drinking tea, green mint tea. In Tunisia, we enjoy to drink green mint tea with pine nuts. Sometimes we drink it without pine nuts, but our tea is special because we put pine nuts on it. We usually drink with tea. We usually eat some sweets. So today we prepared zriga. It's a kind of cream, and there is rolls made by brick. It's stuffed by almond and hazelnut. Start with dates. As you know, in Tunisia, we have a lot of palm trees, and we produced dates, very delicious fruit. Before the guests leave the residence of Tunisia, we usually give them some rose water, some drops of rose water. It smells very nice.
It smells very nice, yes. It's very refreshing.